Hi everyone, I'm Emily Clark, and welcome back to my Academic Assist channel. Today we'll be talking about how to write a discussion post. Before we begin, please note that the information shared is based on standard academic writing principles. Always follow your instructor's specific guidelines. Let's first look at the discussion question we're addressing. Describe one innovative healthcare delivery model that incorporates an interdisciplinary team. Explain how this model is advantageous to patient outcomes. This is the question I am going to answer today. Now, I have a complete answer, and I'm going to walk you through the entire structure, section by section. First, let's look at the introduction. In this section, I introduce the patient-centered medical home model and provide essential background. Next, I present the argument. Here, I state my claim that the PCMH model is innovative because it relies on a coordinated team approach. Then, I provide the evidence. This is where I support my argument with facts like reduced costs and increased patient satisfaction. After that, I expand into the body. Here I elaborate on the 5 key features of the model and its fundamental guiding principles. Next, I have the conclusion. It summarizes the main points and restates why the PCMH model is so valuable for patient outcomes. Finally, I list the sources. This section provides all your references in proper APA format to avoid plagiarism and add credibility. Here is a final look at the entire formatted document we just walked through, showing the full introduction, the main body paragraphs, and the complete reference list in action. By following this structure and using clear sections, you ensure your discussion post is academic, thorough, and well-supported. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. For personalized help, you can contact me on WhatsApp at the number on your screen. See you next time.